Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Square debit card step by step clearly. First, take your Square debit card out of the envelope and keep it in your hand. Check the front of the card to confirm the name and card details look correct. Turn the card over and locate the signature panel and the CVV security code. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open the Square Point of Sale app or the Square dashboard in a web browser. If you do not have the app yet, download Square Point of Sale from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with the Square account that received the card. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it before continuing. After you sign in, go to the Balance, Banking, or Card section in the menu. Look for an option that says Square Debit Card, Square Card, or Card Settings. Tap the option that says Activate Card or Activate Square Debit Card. When asked, enter the full card number exactly as it appears on the front. Next, enter the expiration date shown on the front of the card. Then, enter the CVV security code from the back of the card. Confirm the billing address matches the business information on your Square account. If the app requests identity verification, follow the prompts and submit the requested details. Create or confirm your card PIN if the activation screen asks you to set one. Choose a PIN you can remember and do not share it with anyone. Review the activation details on the screen to make sure everything is correct. Tap Confirm, Activate, or Submit to complete the activation request. Wait a few seconds for the confirmation message that your card is activated. If you do not see a confirmation, refresh the page or close and reopen the app. Once activated, go to Card Settings and turn on notifications if you want alerts for transactions. Check any spending limits or security options and adjust them to your preference. Sign the back of the card on the signature panel with a pen. Make a small test purchase or ATM balance inquiry to confirm the card works. If the card is declined, double-check the entered details and confirm your Square balance is available. If problems continue, contact Square support through the app or dashboard for help with activation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.